Hello everybody, how's it going? My name's Lance and today we have another unboxing. Today's episode, we're doing a Zobie Gone Metal box. Pretty good. This is the second box that they came up with. I didn't order the first one. Saw the first one looked kind of interesting, so I thought, you know, what the hell. It's only $40, so let's open up this bad boy. Oh, first off, woo! Hell yeah, let's do this. Alright, we got some plastic. Okay, so first thing we got is a t-shirt. Oh, that looks kind of good. Alright, let me open this thing up. That's kind of neat. Okay, here you go. So you guys get a good look at this. Whole bunch of women. Maybe like Women of Rock, or maybe that's a band. Though I know there was like a whole bunch of women rock bands, but I don't think that's that. I think that's different women from different rock bands. That's kind of cool. I'm trying to see if I recognize any of them. They kind of have like a cartoony face to them. So that's kind of weird. But, I mean, all in all, that's not too bad. That's kind of cool. There you go. Okay, the next thing is a car freshener. And, gotta say, since it's a car freshener, John's probably going to get this item. So you can stick it in this car. You know, the redness, there's some red right there, kind of reminds me of, oh god, I'm trying to think. Man, alright, I'll get back to that. That's kind of cool. I don't know if I would use it. Alright, so next we have a guitar pick. It says it's from Quoval. I've never heard of Quoval. I'm going to have to listen to them now. See if I can, that's kind of cool. Looks like a thing of corn. A little Mickey Mouse character. That's kind of cool. Alrighty. Oh. Okay, here we go. We have Jeremy Siftel, a guitar guy. That's kind of cool. There's a lot of lighting right there, so it's kind of hard to see the guy. It's kind of cool. Jeremy Siftel. I wonder who he's from. He's walking out. Alright. Oh, okay. We got a certified. I want to say, isn't that the guy from Kill Space? That's kind of cool. Alright, let's see. And then, Daughters of Darkness. Oh. It looks like something's going to be coming out, like maybe a book in October. That might be cool to check that out. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Alright, no, never mind. Alright, so this is Jeremy Seifel. Okay, there you go. And he is from Hatebreed. Okay, Hatebreed. I was like, man, he looked like familiar. I was trying to think. I gotta be honest, like, you know, Hatebreed's okay. I don't listen to him all the time, so I mean, it's not that bad. And then this guy is, Peter. No. Yeah. And he is typo negative. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I pulled typo negative. They're pretty good. I see right there on some of these screenshots there's some other pencils that would have been better than this one, but that's okay. Yeah, the guitar pick, I've never heard of that band. I'm going to have to check them out. Okay, so the t-shirt is the Women of Metal. So that's kind of cool. I'll probably wear that sometime. Yeah, the guitar pick, yeah, I'm going to have to check that out. Never heard of Dope before. I have to check them out. But, you know, all in all, you know, $40 isn't that bad for what you get, and you don't really know what you're going to get. Like, it would be nice if they go, hey, these are, like, the themes, because they have, like, full themes, so it'd be cool to be like, hey, you know, typo negative, hate breed, and I'll be like, oh. It doesn't really want to say. I think, it doesn't say on this. I'm thinking, oh, man. So, it's like on the top of my head right now. I'll say Mudvayne. I could be wrong. I wish it would have said something like that. All in all, not too bad. I think the things I like the most is I'd probably use this t-shirt the most, and the autograph is kind of cool. I'm going to have to put them up somewhere. So that was kind of cool. If you guys like this and you want to see more of this, you know, put a comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think? $40, that's not bad for what you get here. I'm gonna have to probably check this book out later. It looks pretty good. All in all, yeah. I'm kind of happy with this. The Zobie medal, so I might just do another box of it. So I think that's kind of cool. Well, I hope that you guys will stay corona-free and be safe. And don't forget to walk out. Have a good one, guys. Bye.